Dear students, today we are going to discuss the next question of worksheet 5, chapter number 5, application of percentage. The question number 4 is there. Mr. Mehta borrowed a sum of money at 8% per annum rate of interest if he paid rupees 640 as interest after 5 mixed 1 upon 3 years. Then find the sum of money borrowed by him. In this question, simple interest is given, that is 640, rate of interest 8% per annum, and time is there 5 mixed 1 upon 3 years, which is equal to 16 upon 3 years. 5 3 is 15 plus 1, 16 upon 3 years. In this case, we have to find the sum of money, that is the principal. Sum of money borrowed by Mr. Mehta, that is P, and P is equal to SI into 100 upon R into T. Simple interest is there 640 into 100 upon 8. 8 is their rate of interest and time is there 16 upon 3. 3 is there in denominator. We will take it in the numerator in the next step. Now we will simplify this. So we will get 5 into 100 into 3, that is rupees 1500. How we can cancel? So 8 is a 64, 0 as it is. So 8 80s are 640 and then 16 5s are 80. So what is there? 5 into 100 into 3, it is 1500. In this way we have to find the money borrowed by Mr. Mehta. The next part is there, question number 5. In this question there is given simple interest on a sum of money is 9 upon 16 of the sum. If the rate of interest is given, that is 4 mixed 1 upon 2% per annum, we have to find the time. In this question, let the sum of money that is not given, so we have supposed that is rupees P, as we are indicating or representing principal, that is P, so it is P. Therefore, according to the statement of question, the simple interest becomes equal to 9 upon 16 of the sum, that is 9 upon 16 P, rupees 9 upon 16 P. And rate of interest is given, that is 4 mixed 1 upon 2%, that is 9 upon 2% per annum. Now we have to find the time. The formula for time is equal to SI into 100 upon P into R. SI is there 9 upon 16 P. So 9 upon 16 into P into 100 upon P into R. P is there P as it is, and our rate of interest is there 9 upon 2. 2 we will take in the numerator in the next step as it is. Now we will simplify. 9 we can cancel there. P is also we can cancel. 8 2 is 16. So it is 100 upon 8 and 4 is the highest common factor still. We can divide and we will get 25 upon 2. And in mixed fraction 25 upon 2 can be written 12 mixed 1 upon 2 years. Time is in years. In this way we have to find the time for this data. And then next question number 6 is there. At what rate percent per annum will a sum of money double itself in 8 years? Means time is given 8 years and the sum of money is not given, but let we have suppose that is X or P, and in 8 years it becomes the double means total amount and principal relation is given and time is also given. So we have to find the rate percent R. So in this case, firstly we have supposed that is let the sum of money is equal to rupees P. Therefore amount after 8 years becomes 2 times, that is double. So it is 2P, rupees 2P, and time is given, that is 8 years. So in this question we have to find the simple interest. Firstly, what is simple interest? And simple interest is equal to amount into amount minus principal, that is 2P minus P. 2P amount and principal as it is P, and it is equal to rupees P. Therefore simple interest is equal to the principal P. Therefore the formula for rate rate R, that is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T, and which is equal to SI is there P into 100 upon principal as it is P into 8. Now we have to simplify. P we can cancel there. In 4 is the highest common factor. 4 to the 8 and 4 25 is the 100. So it becomes 25 upon 2, and in mixed fraction we can write it as 12 mixed 1 upon 2%. So it is the rate of interest per annum. Now the next question, question number 7. In this question there is given Rahul borrowed rupees 50,000 from a bank on 1st March 2014 and paid rupees 53,150 on 6th October 2014. Find the rate of interest charged by the bank. We have to find the rate of interest, that is R. In this question what is given? We have given principal, means borrowed money, that is principal, it is given 50,000, and amount that he have to pay after some time, that is on 6 October, that is equal to 53,150. It is the amount. And what is the time? Time is from 1 March to 6 October 2014, and that is equal to the days of March, that is equal to from 1st March to 31 March, that is 31. In April month 30, in May month there are 31, in June month there are 30 days, in July month also 30, and in August month it is 31, September there are 30 days, and October there are 6 days. Therefore the total days becomes equal to 219 days. Now we will change these days into years. So we will divide it by the total number of days in year, that is 365. So 73 3s are 219, and 73 5s are 365. So it is 3 upon 5 years. Now the simple interest according to this question is their amount minus principal, that is 53,150 minus 50,000, and which is equal to 3,150 rupees. Now we have to find the rate of interest. The formula for rate of interest is there. It is R is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. SI is there 3,150 into 100 upon 50,000, that is the principal, into 3 upon 5, it is time. So 5 is in denominator. In the next step we will take it in the numerator. Now when we will simplify, so we will get 105 upon 10, that is equal to 21 upon 2, and in mixed fraction it is 10 is to 1 upon 2%, or in decimal form it is 10.5%. So this is the part. It is the rate of interest charged by a bank. The next one question is simple, you have to try yourself. Question number 8. And 9th question is there. In what time will the simple interest on rupees 400 at 10% per annum be the same as the simple interest on rupees 1000 for 4 years at 4% per annum? There are given a question which have two statements. First condition is there, principal is there 400 and rate of interest is there 10%, but time is not given in this case. We have to find in this case the time. But what is given? The SI of this first condition is equal to the SI of the second condition. That is, case 1, principal is there 400, rate of interest is there 10, and time is not given. We have to find this T. But in second case, principal is there 1000, rate of interest is there 4%, and time is there 4 year. According to question, the simple if the simple interest of both cases is same, then simple interest of first case according to this and simple interest of second case according to this, both are equal. So therefore, according to first case, it is SI is there P into R into T upon 100, and in this case also P into R into T upon 100. In the first case, P principal is there 400, rate of interest is at 10%, time as it is T because we have to find upon 100, And similarly in the second case there is 1000 principal, rate of interest 4%, and time is there 4 years upon 100. So when we will simplify, so we will get 40 into t, that is 10 into 4 into 4, and the value of t becomes equal to 10 into 4 into 4 upon 40. When we will cancel, so we will get 0, we can cancel there, 4, so we will get 4. The time for the first condition is also same, that is 4 years. In this way we have to find the time for the first conditions by comparing their simple interest, that is SI1 is equal to SI2. The next question, last question of this exercise is given, which is Mr. Jain donates rupees 1 lakh to a school, and the interest on it is to be used for awarding 5 scholarships of equal value. If the value of each scholarship is given, that is 1500, find the rate of interest. In this case again we have to find R, rate of interest. But the total money is there 1 lakh, that is the principal he has deposited, and 1 year interest is awarded to 5 scholarship, and each scholarship is there 1500. It means total money is there 1 lakh, and rupees of each scholarship, that is 1500, and number of scholarships are there 5. Therefore the total rupees is equal to 5 into 1500, that is equal to 7500. It means total money awarded for the scholarships, that is equal to 7500, and this is the simple interest on this amount, that is 1 lakh, that is the simple interest, extra money per year, which is used for awarding the scholarship to 5 students, that is 5 scholarships. That means simple interest we have got, that is 7500, and time is given, that is 1 year. After 1 year interest is there, so therefore we have to find the rate of interest, which is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. Simple interest is there 7500, and time is there 100, and what is principal? Principal is there 1 lakh, the amount of money deposited in the starting, into 1, that is the time. So when we will simplify, so we get 75 upon 10, that is 7.5 per rate of it is the rate of interest per annum. So this is the last question of this exercise. Some value based question we are doing. In this there is given the survey was conducted and it found that 125 people in a park, out of which 12% jog, 16% do yoga, and rest of want to prefer walk. We have to find the number of people who walk. Then therefore there is given the number of people, that is 125, and percentage of the people who walk, that is 100 minus 12 minus 16, which is equal to 72%. Therefore the number of people walking in the park, that is equal to 72% of the total peoples. 72 upon 100 into 125, which is equal to 25 5s are 125, 25 4s are 100, and 4 18s are 72. So it is 18 into 5, that is 90 pupils are there who are interested to walk, or who are walking in the park. And the next question of value based. In this question there is given reading habit of the students in a month of April, and there is given percentage, and there is number of books. 0 books 14% people do not want to read, and 1 to 3 books, that is 28%, 4 to 6 26% students, and more than 6 32 students. So in this question first A part is there, if total students are there 500, how many students had read books in the month of April? So these students have read the book, that is percentage 28%, 26% and 32%. So how we can find the percentage of the student read the books? Either we can add this, or we can subtract 14 from the 100, so we will get 86%. the percentage of the students who read the book in the month of April from library, that is 86%. We have to find the number of students. So therefore number of students who read the book, that is equal to that who reads the books, that is equal to 86% of the total students. 86 upon 100 into 500, that is equal to 430 students. In this way we have solved this. Okay everyone, have a nice day and revise these this worksheet 5 and value based question. Thank you and have a nice day.